Hey YouTube, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we will learn how to deactivate your Facebook account in 2023. First of all, you have make sure to have an own account for deactivating your account. So I have an account already, so I'm just opening my account. For suppose I'm opening my Facebook account. Okay, you will see such type of interface. And now you have to click on my profile button. You will see such type of interface. Now I have to go on my setting option and you will see such type of interface. There are many options you have to see, but our main focus on to block our to deactivate our my Facebook profile account. Then I will go on that point. So click on setting option again. You will see such type of interface. Okay, now I have to go on my personal information for deactivating my account. So I'm clicking my personal information button. Now you will see such type of interface. uh, uh, Contact info, identify information, and manage account. Now I have to deactivate my account, so I will click on my manage option button. You will see such type of interface there on my corner of my mobile. You have to see the deactivate option. Just click on it. You will see such type of interface. Now this is temporary. This is temporary. I have back my account was hacked. There are many options if you are handling any problem. So there are many options. So if you are handling any problem for any Facebook, so you want to deactivate your account, then is all are your choices, or you may give a reason for deactivating. For suppose I am clicking this is a temporary, I shall back. So continue, click on continue button. And account taking a break from Facebook. Then do you want to log out instead? There are many options, and the deactivating on the scrolling you will see deactivating your account. If you are planning on returning on Facebook, make sure you still have access to email address or phone number you used to log into Facebook, and we can automatically deactivate your account. This is saying if you are coming back, then make sure you have an email account or mobile number. So after putting this email and mobile number, you will automatically back on your account. So for suppose automatically reactivate my account in 7 days. These are saying if you are deactivating your account for 1 day or 2 days, or there are many days, these are the automatically your choice. And after clicking, for suppose I am clicking on 3 days button, then after 3 days my account automatically will be on automatically activate will activate. Okay, for suppose I am automatically reactive my account in 7 days. Continue on it. Okay, you will see such type of interface. Okay, deactivate my account. These are the options coming. Click on it. Okay, account deactivation successful. You using these options. Account deactivation successful. These are any easy steps. If you like this video, make sure to leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. Tag Schooling.